British weather, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely sunshine and also rainy. So here we are after the storm, and things haven't done too badly. It was good for them to get a lot of rain for the most part, but luckily the rain came down kind of fairly hard but sort of steadily for a long time, rather than hammering down to the point that it flopped all the plants over, with the exception of these guys, which are flopped. But these ones have managed to stay upright, so that's something. Don't know what these ones are actually. A weed, I think. And over here you can just see one shoot of the erythrumum is flopped over there, but again most of it's managed to stay upright. The sage likes dry soils, and the leaves are going kind of yellow in protest at how wet it is. There was even more yellow leaves at the bottom, but they protested so hard that they've completely died and fell off. So hopefully the sage overall will be alright. We can see my newly planted sages proving a popular foodstuff with something or other. Bit annoying, but what are you gonna do? They need to eat wherever they are. Over here, blue stripe blazing away. Verbena doing its tiny little thing. Phlox not quite flowering yet. More of the white things that were flopping in the front bed. There's one there flopping as well. And then here the honeysuckles has weirdly stopped growing like this. Came all the way up around there, got it around there, and now I want it to go back and up there, and it's just stopped there for like a week, and this one likewise has just stopped there for ages. So I don't know what that's problem is. Back bed. Big news is that the fuchsia has joined the party. Woohoo. Otherwise, bit of a disappointment. New Tiarella's already looking totally ragged, even though they've had plenty of water, they've not been trodden on or had other things dug up or planted next to them, which is what I thought did in for the last year's Tiarellas. Looking so rubbish, so I don't know why, but Tiarellas just don't want to look good here. Maybe it's the wrong pH or something. Dicentra. This one's looking a bit rubbish and dying back a bit, going yellow. Hopefully it will come back, I think. This, I'm not even sure if it is a plant or a weed. I planted something there last year, but I think that might even just be a weed that came in the pot. This is meant to be another dicentra with pink flowers. As you can see, it's just one pathetic little leaf, and it has been for as long as this season has existed. This leaf is a little bit bigger, but it's still doing a terrible job at actually growing into a plant with flowers. So dicentras seem to be a total waste of time, basically. Apart from that one, but these other ones. At the back, the Saka cocker. You see these lighter green leaves there? That is the first evidence of any growth whatsoever in over a year. When they said it's a slow growing shrub, they really weren't kidding. What else is new? Just the hydrangea is starting to flower. I think that's about it.